to a invite-only car meet in the Banana. Don't really know what we're gonna get into, but hopefully it's good. We have pulled up to the meet, or the very small private meet, I should say. It's not parking brake?
Yeah, it auto disengages. Is that what the Mustang just took off?
Yeah. Oh, that shifter whack. It doesn't like click, it's like just soft.
Wait, what?
No, I wanted them. Yeah, this is the. Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck?
It's so slow, but it's so fun.
I had a Fox body for a while.
Yeah, my friend's got a Fox body.
It was so hard. Crash it, I don't care what you
His last one was definitely faster.
What?
His last one definitely felt faster.
This one was too.
Yeah. These are fun though.
Just launch it, hit launch control.
Hold on, wait. Oh shit.
Keep doing it. See what goes.
Okay.
Yeah, just sit here, and then break it, and then just half throttle it. Oh, I don't know why it won't hit.
Huh.
You got a full throttle.
See, we weren't in race mode before.
I think we are in race mode?
I don't know. I think we are now. Yeah, probably full throttle.
Just breaking full throttle. I used to mess with it all the time in the young one, and then you'd be like, "Don't hit that shit." I'd be like,
That's funny.
"How do I hit launch control? How do you do launch control?"
It's fucky in this car. You have to hold the you have to like completely disable traction control.
I did. I held this all the way down. It's off.
And then you gotta put it in fucking race mode.
It is in race mode.
Oh well, then I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't work. And
What were you?
sometimes it
It's brake and gas, right?
yeah. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't.
I found it. It's in here. Well, boys, that's gonna wrap it up. I had quite the night. I didn't get a ton of it on video, but had a long night, had a good time. Hopefully the clips kind of show up for that. But yeah, appreciate you watching.